Imagine buying a brand new house and moving in just a few weeks later. It sounds impossible. For centuries, we've built homes almost the same way, brick by brick, timber by timber, one wall at a time. But today, that is changing. Across the world, engineers are reinventing how homes are built. Entire rooms are now manufactured in factories. Giant robots are printing walls. Drones inspect construction sites from the sky, and some houses arrive almost complete before builders even start work on site. These innovations are called modern methods of construction, or MMC for short, and they could solve some of the world's biggest housing challenges by building homes faster, safer, and more sustainably. In this video, you'll discover 7 construction technologies that are transforming the future of home building and why they matter to every one of us. Let's begin. 1. Homes built like giant Lego blocks. What if your entire house arrived on the back of a lorry? It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. Instead of building everything on site, entire rooms are manufactured inside climate-controlled factories. These rooms, known as 3D modular units, already have walls, floors, and ceilings. Some even arrive with windows, insulation, kitchens, and bathrooms already installed. Once transported to site, they're lifted into place and connected together like giant building blocks. This approach offers excellent quality because everything is built indoors, protected from rain and bad weather. The biggest challenge is transporting these large modules safely, which requires careful planning and specialist equipment. For growing cities that urgently need housing, this could be one of the fastest ways to build new homes. 2. Flat pack houses? Almost. Have you ever assembled flat pack furniture? Now imagine doing the same thing with an entire house. Instead of transporting complete rooms, builders deliver factory-made wall panels, floor panels, and roof sections. These panels can be basic structural frames or arrive fully insulated with windows, doors, and external finishes already fitted. Because everything is manufactured with precision, installation is much quicker than traditional construction while still allowing architects greater design flexibility. It's one of the reasons many modern housing developments are completed much faster than they were just a few decades ago. 3. Smarter building components. What if construction worked more like assembling a car than building a house? Instead of making every beam, staircase, or floor on site, engineers increasingly use factory-made structural components. Precast concrete floors, engineered timber beams, and prefabricated foundation systems all arrive ready for installation. This improves quality, reduces waste, and speeds up construction without completely changing traditional building methods. Think of it as upgrading the ingredients rather than changing the recipe. 4. Houses printed by robots. Would you live in a house printed by a giant robot? It may sound futuristic, but it's already becoming reality. Using computer-controlled technology, large-scale 3D printers can produce structural walls and customized building components layer by layer. Because material is placed only where it's needed, waste can be significantly reduced compared with conventional construction. Although this technology is still developing, many experts believe it could transform affordable housing in the future. The construction industry is entering an entirely new digital age. 5. The parts you never see. Some of the most important parts of a house are never actually built on site. Modern construction increasingly uses factory-built bathrooms, kitchens, service cupboards, and wall systems. These are delivered ready to install, with plumbing, electrical services, and fittings already completed. Instead of spending days building them piece by piece, workers simply position and connect them. The result is faster construction, improved quality, and far less disruption on site. Most homeowners never realize these hidden innovations are inside their homes. 6. Traditional materials. Used smarter. Here's the surprise. Not every innovation replaces bricks and concrete. Sometimes the smartest solution is simply improving how traditional materials are used. Large-format concrete blocks cover more area with fewer joints. Timber and plasterboard arrive already cut to size. Roofing systems are manufactured to fit perfectly before reaching site. Even electrical wiring and pipework can now be supplied in modular systems that connect much faster than conventional installations. The materials remain familiar, but the construction process becomes far more efficient. 7. The smart construction site. What if robots, drones, and virtual reality helped build your next home? That future has already arrived. Construction sites today are becoming highly digital workplaces. Drones survey land in minutes. Building information modeling, or BIM, creates a digital version of the building before construction even begins. Robots assist with repetitive tasks such as bricklaying. Workers can use wearable technology and even robotic exoskeletons to reduce fatigue and improve safety. These technologies don't replace skilled workers. They help them work faster, safer, and with greater accuracy. The building site of tomorrow looks very different from the one your grandparents knew. Conclusion: for thousands of years, people built homes one brick at a time. Today, many homes begin life inside factories. Tomorrow, some may be assembled almost entirely by robots. The future of home building isn't about replacing traditional construction. It's about combining innovation with proven engineering to create homes that are faster to build, more energy efficient, better quality, and more affordable. Around the world, governments and construction companies are embracing modern methods of construction because they help reduce waste, improve productivity, and meet the growing demand for housing. The next time you walk past a new housing development, remember, the future of construction may already be standing right in front of you. Question for you: which of these 7 construction technologies surprised you the most? Would you happily live in a factory-built home? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating videos on construction, engineering, and the hidden science behind the buildings we live in.